Welcome to the in front of me TCL Top 10L, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So now just let's unlock the device and let's open the Muviz Edge application. After that, we should just select one from these available tabs. For example, now we have selected this one. Let's use the first tab. Just click here once and then tap here to apply this tab. We can here also change the backgrounds of this tab. So let's select this one, just tap to apply. We can change here the music control display time. We can hide them after 10 seconds. And just to don't hide them, we can also activate to show the notifications from different apps. We can turn on or turn off to show the date and the battery status always while they was charging, or just to don't show it. So let's just go back here and let's switch AOD to the settings section. Now we should click here to the always on display, and we can see here also show on lock screen the AOD feature always while they was charged and when we'll play the music. Also we can change these two features, we can use them separately. We can switch screen timeout from 1 minute to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level, and we also close with the single or double tap on the lock screen. This feature also we can set the shadow, we can set the start and the end time of the always on display feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.